Hi, it's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and time for another Nature to Go. Well, it's that time of year. You're enjoying being outdoors, trying to have a relaxing picnic when invasion of those annoying yellow and black stinging insects. Yes, yellowjackets are on the move. And at the Nature Center, this is the time of year we start spotting yellowjacket ground nests. Why now and not earlier in the summer? Here's what's happening. Yellowjackets are social insects. And no, they're not into partying. Social in this case means they live and work in a group, a colony. In the spring, the colony starts off with just a mated queen. She lays eggs, and about 4 weeks later, there are more adult yellowjackets. These offspring are all female and are called workers. As the colony grows in size, different yellowjackets take on different jobs. Because there are more wasps, the yellowjackets need more room. Some of the workers have the job of excavating where they live by removing dirt to enlarge the underground space. Other workers bring back wood they've scraped from wooden decks, cedar shakes, even wooden outdoor furniture to mix with their saliva to make a pulp. This pulp is shaped into cells where the larvae and pupae are raised by still another group of workers. Some forage for insects to feed the larvae. They'll eat things like caterpillars, grasshoppers, even mosquitoes. It's a busy place, and by the end of summer, there are on average about 25,000 wasps in a single colony. The adults of the colony don't eat insects like they did as larvae. Instead, they feed on sweet things, mostly nectar from flowers. But by the end of summer, a lot of the flowers are done blooming and are focused on creating seeds. So just as the colony reaches its peak size, the main food source goes away. The yellowjackets have to look for food elsewhere. Fruits that mature in late summer or early fall are one source of nutrition. But the other place they find food is with us, humans, at picnics and other outdoor venues. There are so many yellowjackets, and there's so much less food, that they're more competitive as they are slowly starving to death. They're also confused because the queen has stopped laying eggs. The workers don't have any work to do. And even if they do find food, their time is limited. Once we start experiencing temperatures in the 30s, the colony dies. All of them, even the queen. Well, where do next year's yellowjackets come from then? In late summer, some of the last eggs the queen lays are ones that will hatch out males and new queens. These yellowjackets leave the nest and look for other yellowjackets to mate with. The males die, and the new queens find a protected spot, like an old log, where they can spend the winter. Next spring, the queens find a spot for a new colony, and the cycle begins again. So hang in there. In a few weeks, those pesky yellowjackets will soon be gone as fall and its cooler weather arrives. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Nature to Go, and we'll talk to you again next time.